Paris fashion style. I hope you guys are doing well. So this video is totally dedicated to the people who have acne, pimples and oily skin. In this video I'm gonna talk about the best face cleanser that you can use in summers for oily and acne prone skin. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first is this plum green tea pore cleansing face wash, and it comes with all the goodness of green tea extracts, which are the excellent source of antioxidants and are really great for the acne treatment also. Plus it also have a glycolic acid and cellulose beads. Glycolic acid really helps to minimize the pores, and cellulose beads dissolves the dead skin cells and removes your blackheads. Its MRP is 345 rupees and its net volume is 75. So the second cleanser is this Mamaearth Tea Tree face wash. It is also a very good cleanser for the acne and a pimple problem, and because it comes with all the goodness of tea tree and neem extract. So tea tree has an antioxidants property while neem has antibacterial property, which really help your skin to remove the excess oil from your skin, and it also exfoliate your skin very well. Its net volume is 100 ml and its MRP is 249 rupees only. So this is paraben and SLS free, dermatologically tested and suits for all skin types. So third is this Good Vibes Coffee Oil Control Face Cleanser. So as we all know that coffee is the rich source of antioxidants, and it also claims that it has an anti-aging and anti-acne properties. If you are a coffee lover, then you will gonna love this product because it has a very nice smell of coffee. So I personally love this product and it really goes well on your skin. It really helps to remove excess oil from your skin. So you will get this Good Vibe products from purple.com. So its MRP is 175. So the next is this Dumb Dog Anti-Acne Face Cleanser, and guys, I'm really excited about this product because it has a combination of glycolic acid and salicylic acid both, and the people who are looking for these kind of combinations, then you have a very good product within the affordable range, and you will get this product on purple.com. So and they claims helps fight against acne causing bacteria. It prevents blackheads and regulates the oil production in the skin effectively. It is also paraben and sulfate free. So this is the, I think this is best face wash for acne and pimples problem. So give it a try. So next is this Aroma Magic Neem and Tea Tree Face Cleanser, and I personally love this cleanser so much because it is very light and it goes very well on your skin. It has neem and rose extract, which removes the dead skin cells and it removes blackheads from your skin. It really calms and soothes your skin. So this is really good for the sensitive skin people. And it also have a tea tree and lavender oil essential oil. MRP is 160 rupees only with 100 ml volume. So I just love this product, and if you have a really very oily skin, then just give a try to this product. You're gonna love this product. And this Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Neem Purifying Face Wash. It is 100% soap free with the blends of natural ingredients like ashwagandha, rita and neem extract. It works very decently on your skin. It removes dirt and excess of oil, and it also claims that it prevents pimples for all the skin types. It is super affordable product. Its MRP is 55 rupees only with 50 ml of product. Definitely give a try to this product if you are looking something which is made up of natural ingredient, and plus it is super affordable also. That's it guys. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any query related to any product, you comment down below. And if you want me to review a detailed video on any of the product, then you can also comment down below. I will definitely shoot a detailed video for you guys. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.